discover yourself, who you are, what you can do in your life. Let's ask from brain to think and talk to act accordingly.
Discuss about data representation, matplot library, types of graphs, by graphs, and its examples.
Moving ahead, if I talk about the data representations, in this era of fast-growing technologies and the data coming from these technologies, data representation is the key aspect to convey the meaningful information and to make it easier for humans to understand and extract meaning from it. Because the right representation of data can change complex information into simple, precise, and to the point, there are a lot of tools and mechanisms available to represent data and information. And if I talk about these tools in computer science, we have Matplot library in Python programming language by which we can represent the vague data into meaningful information. Let's talk more about Matplot library and its characteristics. Visualization. Matplot is a simple and easy to implement library to visualize data. Analysis. Not only visualization, but it helps in analysis of data and its results. Transform. By using this library we can transform the vague data into discrete information. Now let's discuss some types of graphs. In this tutorial I have covered 3 most commonly used graphs: bar graph, line graph, and pie graph. To understand it better, let's discuss it with examples. From real world, from technical perspective, and from code perspective. Let's discuss the real-world example first. Around the globe, if we see there is demographic differences, people have different age groups, like teenagers, adults, and old. And to represent the number of people in each age group, graphs can play a significant role and can make it simple and easy to understand. Moving ahead, let's talk about a technical example as well. In social media posts, it is very crucial to analyze the emotion and mood of the person when he wrote that post. And this type of problems comes under the category of sentiments analysis, and each word has a category which may be anger, love, fun, or sad. This way, we can see again the graphs can easily represent the frequency of each category, and we can get to predict the human emotion. Lastly, let's take a look at code example. By this code example we want to see the percentage of different cars sold by a car showroom. The cars categories are Mercedes, Audi, BMW, Ford, Tesla, and Jaguar. Understand the code now. The first 2 lines are import statements that are used to import Matplot and NumPy libraries of Python programming language. I have stored the labels of cars category in an array of named cars, and then I have created another array to represent the sales percentage of each car category. Next line of code, I have created a plot figure with specified size of 10 by 7, and then by using this figure, I have created pie graphs with data and its labels, which are defined above.
Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, reach us at Brain Talks, like, share, and subscribe.